Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Bevar Manikanta. I am from Guntur. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Malineni Perumallu Educational Society Groups of Institution. I have done my projects and also I have done my internships in Skill Deezer, working on CRUD operations along with computer networks, working on OSI models and which which was involving physical layer, transport layer, data link layer, and a network layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer, hands-on working experience. And I have working on another IPv6 and IPv4, and also protocols are including my projects and CRC models. Um, my my short time goal is to get a reputed company, and my long time goal is to achieve a good position in company. Thank you.